Henry is excited. Well, they're all excited. They know when Amazon comes. It means pretty much there's something in there for them. The Pug Mom already opened it. Henry, Rooney, Bruno. What did the brown bring us? Let's go over there on the other side so I can take a good video. Looks like we got something for everybody. Yeah, we like Amazon. Amazon saves us time. Amazon saves us time, and they're so reliable. They bring it right the next day. So it's because, well, Louisville has a UPS hub, I think. Amazon has a bunch of warehouses in Louisville because it's close to UPS. So we got another draggie. It's Henry's draggie. I know, you will take it. Henry will get it later. Oh no, I know. What is the draggie? Henry will get it later. It's just Rooney will have it first. We got more blueberries because the dogs like them so much. Thank you, Miss Ellie, for suggesting these and sending us some to try. We love them. But they also have carrots. And as you can see, we already opened them and tried them. And, well, they love them. Even my picky Bruno. So I'm gonna just open some up because they've seen it. I like them, they're so small. Yeah. And we like them because, well, they're made in Canada. So, oh my goodness, the good stuff. Henry, you really wanted those. Yes, you really wanted those. And he likes these. And because we needed some more, we got some antlers and some cow hoofs. I have to open those. So let's go see the antlers first. And like always with antlers and hoofs and anything you give the dogs, you want to make sure they're US sourced and packed and whatever. So they come from the US, and these are. Yes. Henry, you don't even like it. Henry, you don't like it. Yeah, pushy. Henry, you don't like it. It's not what you like. I know you don't like it. Like, what the heck? Well, she's like, I don't want that. What is it? Henry is not a chewer. He doesn't like bones much. Well, he's gonna try, but he's not really. Here comes Rooney, and he's like, no, I just want those carrots. You can't have your draggie. I'm gonna give you more carrots. Hold on. I gotta open the bag again. Yes, I give you more carrots. Hold on. There, you get carrots. So, my chew boys are over there, but Henry is not a chew boy. He is, he likes his little carrot pieces. But of course, Rooney is over the moon. Yep, he loves chew bones. So, those are the chew bones we had. We also have cow hoofs. But I don't think I'm gonna open them up right now because the boys are occupied. Henry won't like it anyways. And yeah. So this is what happens when Amazon comes. These two are sharing bones or not. Rooney always wants what Bruno has, see? And then Bruno's like, well, let me check it out. Let me check out what you have. Is that better? So, and they're gonna switch a few more times until they're like, that's my bone, I'm chewing on that. It's so hard when it has been stormy every day and raining and the yard is like wet and muddy and flooded. So the dogs, they have a hard time. Then we had the wildfire from Canada with all the bad air pollution. So I didn't let the dogs go out either. And then I know as soon as the rain stops, it's gonna be freaking hot. It's gonna be so hot. It's gonna be too hot for us. Yes, so we have a few days off, and then Mama has to do a little bit more homework. So this next week is gonna be a little bit busy. Maybe not. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see. But I doubt you're gonna be outside, even if it gets better, because it's gonna be too hot. Yes, it's gonna be too hot. I know you want more carrots. Let me give you more carrots, and then there you go. And then we'll play with your draggy. Mama's gonna play with you and your draggy, since you don't eat those.
Through the wind on that tree over there.
So we have hail coming down, and he is not very much impressed. You don't go outside. You're gonna get hurt, baby boy. Oh my goodness, I know. Let me keep the flap open so you can take a look. Even Bruno came to look. Yeah, I know. Just keep on complaining. We can change it. It is what it is. And we have a flood in the yard. Let's go pee-pee very quick, guys. Yeah, no, he was sleeping and snuggling the whole time. Blackster, my little Rooney boy, he really has to go. Go pee! He went on the porch potty. Smart little boy.